Hi there, welcome back. If you're someone who is trying to work on your PCOD, PCOS, or trying to improve your fertility, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, some of your time, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, to start this quick flow, sit comfortably in any posture of your desire. Keep your spine straight to best of your capabilities. Hands over your knees or at the heart center. Close your eyes if you haven't already and just focus on your inhalation and exhalations. Center yourself with your breathing pattern. Take 5 rounds of conscious breath, and at the end of it, open your eyes and start rotating your wrists anti-clockwise and clockwise. Start making them some movement in and around your wrist, and then eventually hold your elbows with other palm, hands over your head, chest open, and then inhale and exhale, fold to the right side. Inhale back to neutral center, exhale to left side. Keep your chest and armpits open, no squeezing internally, and keep looking away. And then eventually extend your hands with the exhale and just have a grip and stretch them to make them tallest. Now, hands interlocked at the back of your head. Give a nice stretch to your back of the neck and eventually to your upper spine and the whole spine. Keep your eyes closed if you want to be just in the moment even more with your breath. And with the exhale, fold forward in front. And then with inhale, gentle back bend. You can also choose to keep your eyes open. Exhale, fold. And this time, as you inhale, you extend your arms at the back. Put them over your hip or back of your spine and sit up straight. Eventually, if you want, you can take wall support and extend your legs maximum width apart to the sides. Have your fingers interlocked and try to take the hands further away, all the way from one toe to the other in Chakki Sanchalanasana. Let your pelvic floor sitting deep down over the yoga mat, and while you make this movement clockwise and anti-clockwise, keep your foot flex active and do not compromise on your spine by rounding and folding too much. Just go as far as per your ease on that day. And keep making bigger and bigger circle with every time you exhale. And then from here, eventually, you come on your all fours where your shoulder and palms are in a line and hips and knees are in a line. Toes can be pointed in or out as per your comfort. Inhale, look up, extend, and exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, again adjust yourself to comfort, look forward, and exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, make a neutral arch on your back, and as you exhale, you take all the rounding spine and look at the navel or at the chest. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale little slow and exhale even slower. With inhale, you try to be just focusing on the movement with your breath control. And then eventually extend with the inhale the right arm. Then the left one. Try to stretch as far as you can while making your body down, touching the yoga mat. And then from here, come to all fours. Extend the left hand. Take the right hand and practice the thread the needle by making a 90-degree angle with your arms. Keep your hips facing the ceiling and engage your core. Do not round your spine and feel the nice stretch. With inhale and then exhale, come back to all fours. Now bring the left foot right in between both the palms. And this is a lower lunge. Hands over your hips and just lower down as much as you can. Hold it over here, and with the inhale, you push your hips a little further. Feel free to take wall support if you need to, and also try to push your knees forward, but with your all the ease. Make your hips lower down, squared, while keeping the back leg really engaged and active and present. And if you feel comfortable, you can have your hands over the heart center and hold the lower lunge. And then with the exhale, release the pose and the foot comes out in lizard stretch. And as you inhale, you fold ahead, and with exhale, you extend the leg in half split, but you're doing it from the lizard stretch to make your hips work even better with all the hamstring stretch. Keep practicing 3 to 5 rounds. Let your left hip work really nice. And then exhale, bring the foot back. Now here, keep the left knee down and extend the right foot to the side of your body. Fold it and stretch it. Fold the knee and stretch it to the max of your capability. Use your hand to support, and eventually, if you feel comfortable, you can keep the elbow over the right thigh and then nice stretch. Change your side, and this time extend the right hand, bring the left hand in 90 degree to practice thread the needle from the other side. Give a good nice stretch. Keep your hips up facing the ceiling, and with exhale you release the pose. As you inhale, bring the right foot in between both the palms. Get into a lower lunge. Use wall support or hands over your hips to have a nice grip. Support yourself, engage your core, and keep pushing the knee forward while keeping the back leg engaged and working all nicely. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, push back. And keep pushing while maintaining the comfort in your lower lunge. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale. And if you feel comfortable at this moment, you can bring your hands at the heart center or over the hips, wherever you are most comfortable at. Now exhale, lower down your palms. Bring the right foot next to right palm to have a lizard stretch. Do the same like you did from the left hip. Extend the knee and stretch it back like you're practicing the half split in lizard pose. Let your right hip feel all the nice mobility and stretch. Extend really well. Stretch it out. And when you feel comfortable, come on all your fours And this time, bring the right knee down and extend the left leg to the side of your body. Keep your foot active and fold the left knee and stretch. Hands over your hips or use any support to make yourself more comfortable. Stretch to the side, back, and keep breathing. And then exhale and bring the hands down. Stretch really nice. Feel the juicy stretch in your hamstring. Hold up the pose. And with the exhale, you change the side. This time, extend the right foot to the right side and feel the nice stretch in your hamstring. And then exhale. Now from here, very mindfully, sit up in Malasana. Adjust yourself, use any prop beneath your hips if you have to, or under your both the feet. And then eventually get into a lower squat, Malasana, garland pose. Keep your hands, use your elbows to align you to keep your chest open. Hands at the heart center and hold the pose and just feel how nice it feels on your lower body. Keep breathing. And keep your chest open, shoulder drop down, not close to the ear. And then relax. Now lower down and get into a butterfly pose. Hold both the feet together, bring them close to the groin if you can, and gently lower down your knees or hold both the feet together. It's okay to keep your knees up in the air and make all the adjustments, and with time you get into a deeper butterfly pose. Also, it's completely fine to have a wall support to sit right next to it for practicing butterfly pose. And eventually, once you feel comfortable with the posture alignment, close your eyes. You can keep your hands at the heart center or holding both the feet together or having the hands over the knees, wherever you feel most comfortable at. And let your body feel all the relaxation in the butterfly pose. And let you feel all the tingling and the slight minute changes in your groin, in your pelvic floor, in your core, in your hips, in your hamstrings, in your feet, in your both the soles of the feet, and eventually your spine, sit bones, your upper body, your core, your shoulders, your facial muscles, everything. Let feel relaxed and in the sync. To do so, you just need to focus on your breath. Thoughts may come and go while you hold this pose. You might feel really uncomfortable. Choose whatever feel makes you more comfortable, but at the same time, allow yourself to be open to feel how it feels. Continue breathing and use this time to relax completely and make your butterfly pose more effortless by just focusing on the breathing, letting away from all the thoughts, whatever comes in your mind. Do not think much about it, let it pass and just relax. At any given point, you are being distracted or discomfort, bring back your attention in your exhalations. And just let your body feel all the changes through this practice. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice. Show up for yourself. And whenever you feel you are done with relaxation, start making some gentle movements. Rub your palms, gather the energy, and gently open your eyes. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And to have better results, you need to practice this more often. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care.